When we first began, we really had to start from the beginning, from scratch. We used what we had at our disposal and even made our own bedroom hacks to make it easier for us to create. We've learned from our experiences and want to give up-and-coming creatives a way not to worry about limitations in one's home and just fully focus on their passion and craft.
Even today, we still know the challenges and understand the importance of a decent home setup. Therefore, we strongly felt the need to collaborate with a producer who shares our vision in music production and making it possible for everyone to make music in their homes. We really believe that you should be able to combine good quality and design that is affordable and accessible, and IKEA checked all those boxes.
With both of us sharing a curiosity about creativity in the home, especially music creation, as well as making it accessible for everyone, it was a perfect match. We wanted to reach out from our comfort zones to design something new and fresh together, as a pure collaboration between music creatives and IKEA.
The collection consists of products designed to make it easier and more welcoming to get into a creative flow in your own home. The design supports creating, playing, enjoying, and even just setting the mood. In our own environment, we really put a lot of effort into our surroundings, make sure that it is in tune with our own frequency and creating state of mind.
We took everything we wanted, everything we could think of, and added it all together. The next step was to carefully remove anything unnecessary, leaving us with only the necessities in the minimalistic and practical form. The design in our collection features a timeless theme with a distinct trace of our DNA, which will make the product fit in any home while still standing out by themselves. The collection is created for anyone who values and supports creativity in the home, and especially music creators. We want to reach out to anyone who wants to incorporate more design in their home studios without being hindered by money or availability. It is for everyone, everywhere. Beginner or pro, it is for the ones with limited means but unlimited creativity. Dropping September 2022 globally.
I'm James Futcher, and my role at IKEA is a product design leader. I lead the collaboration with our creative partner, Swedish House Mafia, to make great products to solve the many people's needs at home. How could we learn from them who actually started off making music in their bedrooms to see how we could actually bring their knowledge and our competence to the many people to offer products to support making music and listening to music in the home? We think it's really interesting to learn from each other. What does IKEA bring to the table? What does Swedish House Mafia bring to the table? And when we bring that together, that's where we can really learn together, making products at a great price so people actually have the opportunity to see the range and use it to make great solutions